In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. By the end, you'll know how to connect the two platforms so you can bring your ClickUp projects and tasks into your Notion workspace. Open Notion and go to Settings, then select Connections. Browse the available integrations and search for ClickUp. If ClickUp is available, click Connect to begin the setup. Sign in to your ClickUp account if prompted, then authorize the connection. Choose the ClickUp workspace you want to connect and grant the required permissions. Once the connection is complete, you can embed ClickUp links into your Notion pages or use your preferred automation platform to sync tasks between ClickUp and Notion. Select the workspace, list, or project you want to use, then map the information to your Notion database if you're creating an automated workflow. Test the connection by adding a sample task or opening an embedded ClickUp page in Notion. Make sure your data appears correctly before relying on the integration for your daily workflow. If the integration isn't working, verify that you're signed in to the correct ClickUp account, check that you've selected the right workspace, and confirm that you've granted the required permissions. If you're using an automation service, make sure the workflow is enabled. That's how to integrate ClickUp with Notion. Thanks for watching.